So, hello everyone, this is Gautam and welcome back to my channel. I am the second year MBBS student at Rama Medical College, कानपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश. तो गाइस, जब से नीट का एग्जाम हुआ है तब से मेरे सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स पे बहुत सारे डीएम्स आ रहे हैं. दे आर बेसिकली फ्रॉम द साउथ इंडियन कैंडिडेट जो कि नॉर्थ इंडियन मेडिकल कॉलेजेस को ऑप्ट करना चाहते हैं. तो उनके बहुत सारे डाउट आ रहे थे, तो मैंने सोचा कि उनके जो भी डाउट है सच एज मोड ऑफ टीचिंग, लैंग्वेज बैरियर, फूड कल्चर, वेदर में कैसा चेंजेस आते हैं, तो इन सब को क्यों ना हमारे मेडिकल कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे कुछ साउथ इंडियन स्टूडेंट से ही क्लेरिफाई करा दिया जाए. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव नंदिता जोशी एंड पी ऐश्वर्या.
Hey everyone, I am Nandita Joshi. I am a second year MBBS student in Rama Medical College.
And I'm P. Aishwarya. I'm a first year medical student at Rama Medical College.
I am from Thrissur, Kerala.
And I'm from Wayanad, Kerala. So we are here to discuss about a few queries that you might have, especially South Indians. So let's begin with the first question, that is, do we have any South Indians here?
Yeah, we do have a lot of people here. I have my seniors, there are PGs, we have faculties also from South India. There are people who work here also, they're also from South India. It's not that like if you come here you'll be alone or something. There are people from South India, like we have people from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, yeah, almost the entire south is over here. So you don't need to worry. Then talking about the marks, because she came here last year, so she'll be knowing more about it.
So last year the cutoff was around 498 and this year I believe the paper was quite tough, so it might decrease. So in case you're scoring a bit less, you can opt for Rama, because the budget here comparatively, comparing it to South Indian private colleges, it is a bit less. So in that case, you can consider Rama.
Yeah, many of the South Indians, they don't even know that there's an option here, like in UP. So you can definitely like research on it and come here. So even price-wise, marks-wise, you can check over here because it's an open state. So definitely. Then,
So can you tell me more about the language barrier that you might face,
yeah.
the mode of teaching and social issues at Rama?
Yeah. Even I was really concerned when I was coming here to Rama about, especially the mode of teaching. Like I thought it'll be fully in Hindi. How will I be able to understand the lectures and all? So you don't need to worry at all, because like teaching is definitely in textbook language only. But you have to explain it further, they do use a bit of Hindi. So it's like a mix between Hindi and English. And it's not like you'll not understand or anything. It's very normal. Like, and you'll get used to it also. Like, anyways, you'll have to learn Hindi also, because in future, the patients, they'll be definitely talking in Hindi only. And you learn Hindi in a few months, I think. Like, I have few seniors. Me, myself, I was not very fluent with Hindi. But like, I think in a few months, I did cope up with my friends and all. So that's not a big deal. And friends, yeah, you have great people here. Like, you have people from all over India. So friendship, it's crazy over here. Nothing like discrimination or something. Everybody's very chill. You don't need to worry about people here. And everybody's really supportive. You don't need to worry about friends. And then, yeah, so it's totally fine. No language barriers, no discrimination at all. Then what about the food here?
So in the mess, we are served wholly North Indian cuisine, but once a week we are served South Indian food in case you're craving South Indian food. And in case you really miss South Indian food, you can visit restaurants nearby and they always make you feel at home. You won't feel far away from home in case you miss
We
it.
have got non-veg also over here. Like we've got non-veg thrice a week. So it's not like purely vegetarian also. You've got both non-veg and vegetarian options. And yeah, food is nice. Like you've got unlimited food with sweets and all every day. So it's nice. We've got idli also once a week over here. So, but it's not that tasty, but it's okay. It's okay. And then, yeah, it's fine. Then talking about the safety, like which is our parents' concern when they send you from all the way there.
So talking about the Rama campus, it's not only safe for girls but also for boys. We have security guard placed at every gate and they are pretty strict about the curfews here. So
Yeah, first year and all is a bit more stricter, but otherwise you can go outside. We don't have much restrictions on going out, but yeah, we do have a specific in time and it's safe here. campus is really safe. You don't need to worry. And then
Let's talk about the weather here.
yeah, that is I think the only demerit which we might have, because coming all the way from Kerala, for me the first year, like, winters was very hard.
Can you tell me more about the transportation facilities and how accessible Kanpur
Yeah.
is?
So coming all the way from Kerala, transportation, yeah, it's definitely an important thing. So I come through airports itself. We've got 2 airports. One is in Kanpur and one is in Lucknow. Like, Kanpur airport is like 1.5 hours or something from our college, and Lucknow airport is also like 2.5 hours. So both are like accessible, and we have flights every day from Kanpur and Lucknow. And you can use train also. Like, train, it might take you a longer time, so it's fine, but it's still like you can go whenever you want. And if you have an emergency or urgency or anything, you can always use your flights and you can go. So it's not like you don't have flights. And flights are like connection flights are there from Kanpur. I don't think you'll get direct flights, but it's okay. It's fine. We do travel together also, so you'll have people with you.
तो हाँ जी, ये रहे आप साउथ इंडियन कैंडिडेट्स के सारे ही डाउट के सॉल्यूशन, और आई होप कि आपके सारे डाउट क्लियर हो गए होंगे। लेकिन इसके अलावा भी अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड इफ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो रियली यूजफुल एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.